Are you looking for a strong, smooth, and durable spinning reel for freshwater or saltwater fishing? Choosing the right reel can be confusing. Weak drag systems, cheap build quality, and poor casting distance can ruin your fishing day. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best spinning fishing reels of 2025, perfect for beginners, pros, and anyone who wants reliable performance without spending a fortune. Many anglers buy low-quality reels and face issues like line tangles, weak drag, noisy rotation, and fast wear and tear. Saltwater fishing becomes even harder with corrosion problems. And finding a reel that works for both freshwater and seawater, while staying lightweight, isn't easy. A high-quality spinning reel gives smoother casting, stronger drag, better accuracy, and long-term durability. The models in today's list offer metal spools, sealed bearings, powerful drag systems, and premium materials designed for all environments. Whether you're fishing lakes, rivers, or the open sea, these reels deliver reliability. Number 5. Shimano Sienna Original. The Shimano Sienna is a trusted fishing reel for both freshwater and seawater. Available in 500 to 4000 sizes, it features an ARC spool design for longer, smoother casting. The 3D gear system ensures powerful rotation, and Shimano's build quality guarantees long-lasting durability. Whether you're catching small fish or medium-sized species, this reel provides smooth operation and great reliability at an affordable price. Number 4. Deukio Long Shot. The Deukio Long Shot is a beast for surf fishing and jigging. With 8,000 to 12,000 series sizes and a massive 44-pound max drag, it's built for catching big fish. It features an 8-1 bearing system for smooth handling, and the long cast spool gives excellent distance for shore fishing. If you need raw power for saltwater conditions, this reel is designed to perform. Number 3. Noeby Heavy Duty Reel. The Noeby spinning reel is available in multiple sizes from 2500 all the way to 10,000. With an incredible max drag of up to 25 kilograms, it's ideal for serious anglers. The aluminum spool and strong internal gearing help deliver stable performance even under heavy loads. Whether you're fishing freshwater or tackling large saltwater species, this reel gives strength, smoothness, and reliability. Number 2. Metal Spool Spinning Reel. This spinning reel offers a strong metal spool, max drag of up to 16 kilograms, and a smooth 10-1 bearing system. Its 5.2 to 1 gear ratio provides controlled, efficient retrieving, making it great for both seawater and freshwater fishing. The 2000 to 5000 size options cover everything from light fishing to medium-heavy catches. Perfect for anglers who want solid performance without high cost. Number 1. Kingdom Micro Fly Pro. The Kingdom Micro Fly Pro is the lightest and most advanced reel on this list. Weighing only 160 grams, it delivers an ultralight feel while maintaining strength and durability. With 8-1 bearings, 7 kilograms max drag, and a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, it's ideal for bass, pike, trout, and general freshwater or saltwater use. If you want a lightweight, smooth, and premium-feeling reel, this is the best choice. Whether you need a lightweight reel, a heavy-duty saltwater model, or something balanced for everyday fishing, these spinning reels deliver power, smooth casting, and long-lasting performance. From ultralight bass fishing to surf fishing, there's something here for every angler. Which spinning reel do you like the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fishing gear reviews. Check the description for product links and updated prices. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next review.